We need to tidy up.
Yeah.
Don't worry. I have things to make it nice.
All right.
Oh!
Aha. In there.
Can you add this one?
Yeah, bear.
Hey, that's my shoe!
Sophie, this picnic we made is amazing. Our special guest is going to love it.
There is.
Welcome, Seamus.
Thank you. It looks amazing. Did you make this sandwich? Wow, you did. Wow. Thank you. It's amazing.
That's for you.
Thank you.
Can I have one?
This one.
I made a mess.
Ugh.
It's so sandy.
Cheers, Mr. Train Driver. This is the way we eat our cake.
Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake. Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake all day long.
Hands up!
Hello.
Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the partials, now let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy too.